For many years, the Australian Pacton Group has been a well-established brand, synonymous with the electric fencing industry, designing and manufacturing components for many different electric fencing companies around the world. In 2007, JVA was established as an in-house brand, giving customers access to ready-made, quality electric fencing products. JVA is now a multinational, recognized company with a core focus on delivering intelligent, high-quality electric fencing products by leveraging our many years of market research, design, and manufacturing experience. We aim to deliver top-quality products, servicing the needs in the agricultural, wildlife, and security fencing markets, backed by local service guarantee. Our years of design leadership have ensured that our Energizers are technologically advanced, powerful, safe, and reliable. This results in the functionality of our units spreading from simple analog PET systems to market-leading agricultural Energizers, expandable through the addition of TCP, IP, GSM boards, and Windows-based software solutions. This also enables JVA to be a critical partner in securing high-level national key points globally. The South African-based group Electric Fence and Security Centres, an ideal partner to JVA, provides an environment that identifies security needs and solutions and enables the development of unique products specific to the ever more increasing and challenging demands of the security market. JVA ensures that its innovative products are professionally installed by providing education and training for installers at its many training facilities and online, offering courses in the erection of electric fences and related products. Having the right products, expertise, and infrastructure has established JVA as a trusted leader in the electric fencing and security market.